But multipotent cells have the ability to multiply, and they fixed what happened. Now you know what multipotent is. They can still become other cells, but only the type that they are. I didn't have a heart grow back here. I didn't grow a lung. I grew new skin cells. So those are multipotent. So I've given you 3 good ways to remember these. Totipotent, anything including umbilical cord and placenta. Pluripotent, plural. Any tissue in the body, but not the placenta and not the umbilical cord. And multipotent, I can fix. If I rip my skin, I'll fix it back. I break my bone, I can fix it back again. But now there's some organs in our body we can't do that. Which ones?
Heart, lungs, brain.
Nerve tissue especially, spinal cord. You ever get in a car wreck, you rupture your spinal cord, you're paralyzed from that point down, and it's not coming back. They don't divide, they're not coming back. Shark bites a whole hunk out of the back of your leg right here, takes that big muscle out, it's not gonna grow back. You're gonna be left with that big half circle back here for the rest of your life. Skin will grow back over, but it's not gonna grow the muscle back. It just won't come back. But now we do have organs that do. Good in my case, the liver. Cut 12% of the liver out, and it'll come back 98%. It'll regenerate itself just like a salamander's tail. So the multipotent cells in it have the ability to do that. They can become liver cells and continue to do it. And just like our skin, we repair bones. So a lot of them are multipotent, but they don't have the ability to be totipotent or pluripotent anymore. Yeah. That's nerve tissue. We're looking at stem cells right now for curing Alzheimer's and dementia. Or any other kind of brain damage, like you have a stroke and you cut off blood flow. That's what a stroke is. You cut off blood flow to part of the brain and those cells just die. And it usually happens to one side or the other because of the hemispheres of your brain. So in the hemisphere of that brain, if it happens to be this side, it'll paralyze this side of the body. If it's this one, it'll paralyze this side. I don't know if you guys knew that or not. This side of your brain controls this side of your brain controls this side. And a lot of times, your right or left brain, one of them has to do with motion and being able to talk, while the other has to do with creative thought. And they're separate from each other. So you could have a stroke where you could still talk, but you wouldn't have the creative part, or you can have a stroke, and you've probably seen people have strokes that can't speak.